In this video, I am going to share you how to use wild characters inside XLOOKUP. We have a name here, John, employee name. This is our lookup value based on this list. So XLOOKUP, this is the lookup value, John. Then the next one is lookup array. This is our lookup array. Then we need our return array, the output. So the last one, optional, if not found, in case not found John, then mention as no name. Just entered, I couldn't find it because we have a John here, Peter John, but we cannot find it. So we have to use the wildcard in XLOOKUP. We have to put the asterisks inside quotation because it's a character, sorry, it's a text. So we have entered, still cannot find. So there is one more optional argument, that is match mode. In this optional argument we have to mention here it as 2. Two means it's wildcard characters. Now we have find the Peter John here. If I want to change the name as William, see how it's work?